So please take out your white oil pastel and medium yellow. Okay, white and medium yellow. So what we'll do first, we will take our white color. Okay, we'll take our white color, and this is the top part, this very top part. Here we are going to use these two colors. Okay, so what we will do first, on the corner, now I'll start with from the side, right hand side corner here. So take your medium yellow here with heavy pressure. I'm applying heavy pressure this side. With white also I applied heavy pressure. Outline this part. Okay. Now make sure if you have not applied enough white, then apply it again. And now we are going towards white, and we will reduce the pressure. We will do it with light pressure. Okay. So you can see automatically it has become lighter. And just this part I am going to leave it like this, because we will do the smudging here. So these are the three shades which we are going to use: white, lemon yellow and emerald green. Okay, we'll start with our white as we did earlier. One line, long short like this. So how I am doing white, in the same manner how we did earlier. So this is the margin, right? And I did first white as a line, because I want to avoid this, just want to make a boundary for this color. And then long short with heavy pressure. So your tissue, fold it. First here it is white, so go to white. Just stay there for a while, okay, just to settle the color. And then we'll come to this lighter area where these two colors are together. If near the where you have the darker color, if you feel that it is getting smudged, you are not sure that this color can come here, so you can use a earbud. I am coming to the darker shade. So what we'll do, we'll start with white. It's a clean paper, right? Clean tissue. Now again, for the final touch, like how we have given the greens in the green color, like that we will give these grainy effect, this cloth effect, with very, very fine lines, continuous. Now this is done. So first we will do this border line, this whole part, this part and this part, down till half. Now starting from the top, we'll start giving some fine lines. You will see that how beautiful it will start looking. We need these four colors for the face. So first is white, then light blue, then our cerulean, and then Prussian blue. Okay, these are the four colors which we need. From here I am starting. So long line and then a shorter line, Then near the face also, below the eye. So please see my position. This is the last place where we have to do, and rest of the right hand side area I'm going to color with my white. So below this corner of the eye, this is the corner of the eye. So this entire area basically till this corner of the tusk. Okay. And then this whole space till the trunk, right? Till here, this whole space we need to cover, give a good fat outline. And once you give the fat outline, okay, we will do left right left right left right to avoid that line. We'll go further down till the half of this space, till the half of this space. Now one line of white we need to give in the middle of the trunk area here. Okay, see, first see closely from where I am starting, this point, and in the middle a good fat line we will give. We will not give a thin line. It's making an inverted U. Okay, an inverted U I am making here in the middle of the trunk, and get it, make this full loop. Now we can do the white in the tusk also, since we are working with white and we don't want to put any other color in the tusk. So here we will put white. You can color this fully. This will also give a little shine to your work, to the tusk, right? And the last space where we need to give white is above the eye here. If this we have to do with heavy pressure. Done, then we'll start with next color, light blue, right? So wherever you have done white, next to that we will do our light blue. White is here above the eye, and below also. We don't have to take it till the corner of the eye, just below this full area. Please check. So top part here we'll do Prussian blue.